famous brands. We're bringing it home now. Owns Steers, Wimpy, Debonairs, Mugg and Bean, Tashas and Mr Biggs.
Right, so Mr Biggs is in Nigeria, so that's interesting too. But this is really the market leader on the local scene, having built up this multi-brand diversified strategy. Still really big in Steers and Wimpy though. Those are the two anchor tenants in the portfolio.
Market cap 12.8 billion rand, PE here 27.5, dividend yield 2.7, so it's on the expensive side.
Yeah, but this is the different context, right? So this is South Africa where, you know, if you want to feel good about the country and its future prospects, you should take a ride on the highways, pull into a, you know, Steers or a Wimpy, see all the shiny people eating there. I mean, it's a success story and it's seen as a destination dining outing for many South Africans. And that's why they've been so successful. They've followed all of the malls and all of the highways.
This is under Kevin Hedderwick, and he and his management team, as you're saying, doing a very good job in the acquisition strategy and the franchises.
Yeah, so he's moved into a more sort of executive governance role. Darren Healy has taken over as sort of operational guy. They're doing all of that stuff, you know, where you manufacture all of the ingredients and supply them to the stores. They've worked well with their franchisees. They often now do developments where they put a whole bunch of stores which are all part of their portfolio into the same premises. So it's got a whole lot going for it. It's done extremely well.
Look at Famous Brands' share price.
Yeah. And recently perked up quite nicely, putting its head up above the 125 rands a share level. We own quite a sizable...
We do own, and if you aren't a holder, is it too late to get in at these relatively heady levels, going back to the fact that the PE is at 27?
Look, it's not as though they have the South African market to themselves. They've got McDonald's here, we've got Burger King here, we've got KFC here, we've got Nando's here. They are the biggest and largest listed entity, but they're still relatively small. You know, if you look at the total addressable market in this continent, particularly if you say, look, we're going to do everything in sub-Saharan Africa, there's still an enormous opportunity for them. The Nigerian acquisition was a relatively small one.
Is that doing well in the overall context?
Not doing especially well yet. I think they're still viewing it as a rather small bridgehead, and they're now using it as an opportunity to develop supply lines.
Understand the Nigerian market and then develop further.
And work out how to do stores, who to do them with, whether to do them on their own, etc., local partners, that kind of thing.
Paul, are we going to call this one hot or not? Again, reiterating that we do own it in the hot stocks portfolio.
I like it. I also like the fact that because they've got such a multi-brand strategy, it's easier for them to accelerate the development of different options as the market moves and changes. And if they need to do a healthy food type option, you'll see that moving with the market demand.
You like it translating into?
Hot. Definitely.